Megachip Semicon Electronics Corporation. When one sees a problem, we see a solution. Here are the products and services we offer. Trading. We have partners for adhesives, coatings, blades, capillaries, tapes, capillary refreshed recycling, mold rubber sheet cleaner, and others. Services. We have board repair for HMIs, motherboards, servo packs, amplifiers, drivers, motor inverters, power supplies, interface boards and stepper motor drivers, and others. We also have other repair services as auto mold, hydraulic pump, air compressor and HPU, manual and hydraulic lifter, oven, cylinder and industrial washing, servo motor, spindle, AC and DC motor, gear motor, roll-up door and dock leveler, refrigeration system, and RAC. Automation and R&D. We have ready-made and customized web applications and mobile applications. Megachipsem has over 20 years of experience in semiconductor industry. Our mission and vision. The owner-founder has over 20 years of experience in manufacturing assembly. We have over 190 accredited customers from different industries. Contact us today.